Hey, welcome back. Alright, so I want to show you a couple of problems with graphing linear equations and how you can use them in the real world. Equations are all around us. Matter of fact, you can have the equations for the wind in a tropical storm. So here's a good equation. The wind speed y is miles per hour of a tropical storm is y equals 2x plus 66, where x is the number of hours after the storm hits the Gulf of Mexico. So the question we want to know is, can we graph this equation? So we create a nice graph where we've got wind speed on one side and time on the other. When x equals 0, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 66 is 66, and we have our first point. When we put in 1 times 2 is 2 plus 66 is 68, and we get our second point. Put in 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 66 is 70. You're going to notice there's a relationship here. Now we can ask a question. If a storm becomes a hurricane when the wind blows 74 miles an hour, when will this storm become a hurricane? Well, let's go to 74 miles an hour. And we can draw a line down to time, and we know that this storm will become a hurricane 4 hours after it enters the Gulf of Mexico. Here's another example. The cost y in dollars for making cupcakes is y times 1.5x plus 2, where x is the number of cupcakes you make. Can we graph this equation? You betcha. Step 1, make our little graph here, where we've got cost and the number of cupcakes. When x is 0, 0.5 times 0 is 2. When we plug in 1, 0.5 times 1 is 0.5, plus 2 is 2.5. And when I plug in 2 times 0.5 is 1, plus 2 is 3. You'll notice there's a linear relationship here. Can we use this linear relationship to answer this question? How many cupcakes can be made for $5? Got your answer? All you had to do was draw a line straight over from $5 and then draw another line straight down, and you'd notice that it would take 6 cupcakes can be made for $5. All right. That's it for section 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.